ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ SS ಕೇರ್ ನಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು ಸುಲಭದ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬಂದಿರತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲದರನ್ನ ಮೀರಿ SSK ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡ ಧ್ಯೇಯದ ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ.
See, initially when we started SS Care Trust, it was basically dialysis care. And then we had meetings with our doctors and we got feedback from them. And whatever the health issues which were close to Appaji and Mallikarjun, the people who approached them for particular health services, support. And then when we started with the health camps also, based on our experience also, we put forth certain issues which we wanted to take it further. And being a dentist, I always had interest in public dentistry. And then we got in touch with two of our dental colleges, Bapuji Dental College and College of Dental Science. And we conducted many oral and dental hygiene camps in the government schools and even in the rural parts of Davangere district. And it was very interesting because the basic things like even brushing were taught to children, wherein you tell the child, you ask the child like how much amount of paste you take for brushing your teeth. This is very simple, but they do not look at this.
Yes.
So I used to tell them on the shenga bija size into paste hakobeko. Amal, we used to take all these models, teach them, and even we used to give them some songs on brushing habits. They used to narrate the songs. We used to give them prizes for that. Some drawing competitions were held. So it became more inclusive. The children also learned these habits. And it was very interesting, like getting among children, getting that energy. And they had numerous games also to teach them hygiene habits. So that was very satisfying, the dental camps. And along with that, we conducted women's camps, wherein now I really feel like whenever we used to do the NCD camps in the rural limits, a simple thing like testing their blood sugar levels or checking their BP, many of the women are not even aware of their sugar levels, their hypertension levels. So, wherein women from the poor background, they neglect their personal health and they prioritize others' health.
Yes.
Their husband, their children's health over their own health. And ignorance, be it accessibility of services and awareness about disease. So these were the ideas we generated. And then we thought of all these awareness camps, screening camps, preventive camps, treatment camps. So right now we are working on the breast and cervical cancer awareness camps. We have conducted many camps in the rural aspect of Davangere, and we will be starting these camps in the city also. We have conducted one camp at Akmadevi Samaja, wherein ladies from many other Samaja were present, and they approached us and they were very thankful, like getting to know about the basic of self-breast examination, the risk factors in cancer and preventive factors. And so it was very learning, and they, during the next camps, they in fact brought their mothers for the cancer screening camps. So I think that is something which many women will be looking forward to and will take it extensively in the coming years, wherein each and every woman in Davangere will be aware of breast and cervical cancer, the risk factors like I said, all the details about cancer, and they are very empowered about cancer.